Hello guys, how are you? This is Paco. Thank you for watching. And as you know, I like to work in classic or vintage motorcycles. As you know, all of them has carburetor. For example, on my right there is a KC 650 1978 four carburetors. I have the iconic VMAX 1985 four carburetors. And also, I am working in a project bike. It's a CB 750 and 1977. So I'm working with carburetors. And as you know, every carburetor is different in every cylinder, so it behaves differently. For that, you will need a carb synchronizer. And you know what? I've been looking for a good one. I've been doing a lot of research, and I've been always very curious about the Digi Sync, the one that we have here, and I am very excited to have it, and I'm going to start working in these bikes. So I will do the unboxing, but please follow me, subscribe, and you will see how I do the sync for the VMAX. I'm just waiting for a carb kit to redo all the carbs, do the cleaning and everything, so to start fresh. I will work in the CB 750 and I will redo my KC 650 to see how it works. Okay, let's do this. So we have a nice bag, and then as soon as we remove the bag, we have a nice case. It's like plastic. This case has the logo of the Digi Sync, and it says that easy, improved power and fuel economy. Let's see how it's inside. All right, nice. So we have the Digi Sync here. Let's see what else comes with it. So we have a cap, because some of the bikes, like for example the KC 650, they have some ports that you have to cover. So with these ones, you can just use them, and so you don't have any vacuum leaks. Perfect. So we have 6 connectors that they are 5 millimeters, because some bikes have different sizes. So we have the 5 millimeters, and in my case, we have 6. Now the other one, we have the 6 millimeter connectors, and these ones are going to be for different kind of bike. Every bike has different, but you are covered with this. So then we have this pipe, and this pipe is in order, because one of the instructions says that you don't need to torque these connectors because they already have an O-ring. So what you do here, you just put the hose, put it on the carburetor and screw it, and then you can remove the hose. And in order to remove it, you can just plug it and then remove it. That's it. All right, so we have this nice. We have a sticker that you can put on your bike or your toolbox or whatever you want. And also it has like something from the owner or from the company. They say thank you for your purchase, and they want to hear about us, the customers. What do you want? If you like it, just leave your review, or at Amazon, Google or Amazon. So I will do my review after I do two bikes of Sync. And now let's go to the main thing, our Digi Sync. Oh, this is very light, so you don't have to carry like heavy clocks, heavy gauges. So as you can see, I ordered the one that is 6 cylinders, because I would like to buy or to have a CB 1000 so one day and use it. So now I am covered with 2 cylinders. I don't know, 3 cylinders like Triumph, 4 cylinders. I don't know if we have 5 cylinders, but you are covered as well, and 6 cylinders. Yeah, 6. All right. So in order to use it, I will just move here and make sure that you can read. But it's very easy. You just turn it on. It turns on. So it's calibrating motor off. And then when the calibration is done, you can turn on the engine, and then you will have the vacuum readers. And you see is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then something very nice is that it has a RPMs, and this work with the pulse of the vacuum of the cylinders. So every vacuum is an RPM, or they have their own calculation, and that's it. So you have all the readers live, and should be working good. I am moving all these hoses, so that's why. All right, so now to turn it on, power off. Very, very easy, very simple, not too many complications. On the back, we have a 9 volts battery. Also, we have a magnet here that this one is, you can attach it to the frame so it doesn't move to different places. And basically that's it. This device is very light, and it's about 1 inch by 6 by 4. So something similar, but it's very, very compact and easy to use. So this is it. Please follow me, and I will keep you posted on this. Thank you so much.